Next, page number 35. Find the pole. Find the pole. Write down. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. 2g value minus 6, g value minus 3, 2f value minus 8, f value minus 4, c value 5. Next, r equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. G square value 9 plus f square value 16 minus 5. 25 minus 5 equal to 20. So r value root 20. R value root 20. Next, what is the given line? Given line is given line is 3x plus 4y minus 45 equal to 0 in the form of Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. L value 3, m value 4, n value minus 45. So what is the pole formula? Minus g plus LR square by LG plus MF minus n minus g plus LR square by LG plus MF minus 9. Similarly, second one, minus f mr square by LG plus MF minus 9. Denominator is same. So substitute these values g, f, r, l, m, n minus g value minus 3 minus of minus 3, l value 3, r square root 20 whole square by LG, L value 3, G value minus 3 plus 4, F value minus 4 minus N value minus 45 plus 45. Similarly, y value minus f value minus 4, m value 4, r square by 3 into minus 3, 4 into minus 4 plus 45. So pole equal to 3 plus 3 into 20, root 2 square cancel, minus 9 minus 16 plus 45. 4 plus 4 into 20 by minus 9 minus 16 plus 45. 3 plus 3 into 20 by 20 45 minus 25. 4 plus 4 into 20 by 20 20 cancel. 3 plus 3 4 plus 4, so 6 comma 8. 6 comma 8, that is the pole. Next, ninth problem, SAQ ninth problem. Write down. Given circle is x square y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. Given point is P minus 2 comma 3. Find the inverse point. Find the inverse point. So first calculate polar equation. First calculate polar equation. Polar equation is nothing but S1 equal to 0. Write down. Equation of the polar. Equation of the polar of P with respect to S equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. Polar of P with respect to S equal to 0. S1 equal to 0. X into minus 2. Y into 3. 4 by 2 into X minus 2 minus 6 by 2 into Y plus 3 plus 9 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Simplify this one. Minus 2x plus 3y. 2 table. 2 times cancel. Minus 2x. Minus into minus. Plus 4. 3 times cancel. Minus 3y. Minus 9. Plus 9. 3y cancel. Plus 9 minus 9 cancel. Minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Multiply with minus 4. Multiply with minus 4. X minus 1 equal to 0. AX plus BY. AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. So, inverse point is the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular of this point on the polar. On the polar. Write down. Let PHK be inverse point h minus x1 by a k minus y1 by b minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square h minus of minus 2 plus 2 by a value 1 k minus y1 value 3 by b value 0 minus of ax1 minus 2 plus 0 minus 1 ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square h plus 2 by 1 k minus 3 by 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3. First calculate h value. H plus 2 by 1 equal to 3. H value 3 minus 2 1. K minus 3 by 0 equal to 3. By cross multiplication k minus 3 equal to 0. K value 3. Therefore, inverse point PHK equal to H value 1, K value 3. H value 1, K value 3.